Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about control statements in Oracle. Control statements give you flexibility to control your code. If you want to, execute certain code at some point of time and rest what you don't want to execute, so it gives you that flexibility. Okay, so just come to the control statements, what kind of control we could have and how we can control our statements. So basically we have two kind of control statement: if statement and case statement. Okay, so again, is if statement is having three subtype: if then else, and if then else if. Okay, when I'll explain you with example, you will get to know these things in better way. Okay, so this is how if statement is. And other one is case statement. What does this case statement does? This is this is also control your statement. This is also giving you flexibility to deal with your code. You can control your code with more flexibility. Okay, so this is also of two types: simple case statement and searched case statement. But I have already explained about these two statement actually. These two case statement. I'll give you a link in description below. Just go to the link, watch the tutorial, and let me know how beneficial those two tutorial is for you. Okay, and let's come to if statement. So this is how actually our control statement is. This is just an introduction video towards the control statement. In my next video I'll explain you the if statement with example, and whoever wanna know about case statement, please get to my description. There I'll give you a link where I have explained about case statement. Okay, thanks for watching the tutorial. Thank you very much.